Stop scrolling. Have you ever wondered why some YouTube videos get millions of views while others get buried in the algorithm? It's not just about content, it's about the thumbnail. Today, I'm breaking down the secrets behind a professional master thumbnail that skyrockets clicks and keeps viewers hooked. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to craft a thumbnail that demands attention. And trust me, even if you think your thumbnails are good, there's always room for improvement. Section 1. The power of a thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first impression of your video. Think of it as the movie poster of your content. If it's boring, people won't click. But if it's bold, clear, and exciting, boom, views skyrocket. But why do thumbnails matter so much? Let's talk about the numbers. Studies show that 90% of top-performing videos have custom thumbnails. That's right, no lazy auto-generated frames from YouTube. And here's something wild. A strong thumbnail can increase your CTR, click-through rate, by up to 30%. That's potentially thousands more views per video. The top YouTubers don't just upload random images. They use strategy. Let's get into it. Section 2. Core elements of a click-worthy thumbnail. So, what makes a thumbnail irresistible? There are 5 key elements that every great YouTube thumbnail follows. Face and emotion. Ever noticed how most viral thumbnails feature a face showing exaggerated emotion? That's because we're naturally drawn to human expressions. Fear, excitement, shock, happiness, these emotions trigger curiosity. Bold colors and contrast. YouTube's background is mostly white and gray, so if your thumbnail is dull, it blends in. But bright colors like red, yellow, and blue pop. High contrast is key to standing out. Big, clear text. If you use text, make it bold and easy to read. Keep it under 4 words. Think, game changer, or you need this. Viewers should be able to glance and understand instantly. Simplicity, no clutter. A clear subject, a simple background, and minimal distractions ensure that the viewer's focus stays where it matters most. Curiosity hook. This is the secret sauce. You need to create a "what happens next" moment. Give just enough information to tease, but not enough to satisfy. That makes people click to find out more. Section 3. The step-by-step thumbnail creation process. Let's create a killer thumbnail together. Step by step, choose your background. A solid color, gradient, or blurred background keeps focus on the subject. Add your face or main subject. Always use high-resolution images. No pixelated nonsense. Boost colors and contrast. Increase saturation, brightness, and shadows to make it pop. Add big, bold text. Keep it simple. Use thick fonts like Babus Neue or Impact. Avoid cursive or thin fonts. Apply effects. Add a subtle glow, outline, or drop shadow to enhance text visibility. Final touches. A small unique element, like an arrow, explosion, or emoji, adds emphasis and directs attention. Section 4. The science behind thumbnail CTR. But does this really work? Yes! Let's talk about CTR, click-through rate, one of the most important YouTube metrics. If your CTR is low, your video won't get recommended, no matter how great the content is. A bad thumbnail equals low CTR equals no views. A great thumbnail equals high CTR equals algorithm boost plus more views plus more growth. And the best part? You can test and optimize thumbnails. YouTube allows you to swap them out anytime, so if you're not getting clicks, try something new. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Even pros mess this up. Here are 3 common mistakes you must avoid. Too much text. Nobody's reading a paragraph. Keep it short. Messy layouts. If it looks chaotic, people scroll past. Boring colors and no contrast. If it blends into the YouTube feed, it's game over. A good rule of thumb? If you squint at your thumbnail and can't instantly tell what's happening, it's too cluttered. So there you have it. The ultimate formula for a pro-level YouTube thumbnail. Remember, bold colors, big emotions, simple text, and curiosity hooks. Now go create a thumbnail that makes people stop, stare, and click. If this helped, hit that like and subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks. Also drop a comment. What's the worst thumbnail mistake you've made? Let's talk about it. See you in the next one.